welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, welcome. I'm Anita Mnyane, and please don't leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. To listening to thank you so much guys for coming support. I really appreciate it. Today is a Thursday, yeah, it's a Thursday, and I just woke up now. The time is it's 8:10, yeah. It's 8:10. I'm going to campus to just sort out some registration stuff and then see what I'm doing after. I think I'll go for a grocery shopping since it's kind was because I was so tired. Then I and then dozed off sana. So yeah, I'll take a quick shower now and then go because I'm already late. So yeah guys. I just got back now from campus and yeah, on the community shop right the tenga groceries and then yeah, now because it's still early being second or the bake because I want a home cooked meal. Okwesibini bendifungile that say I want to bake today muffins. So yeah, I'll see the ones in Zan because it's two, but I wasn't say two. I'll do one and then to relax because I'm tired. To be honest, I'm so tired. I'll go in Katile. This is a job baking. So Katile and go. I need to relax and read in what we did last week. I bought a book last week and I think I loved it today. This is the book that I got. How did we get here? Okampo Mili Duaba. I bought this book as a birthday gift from myself to myself because last week was my birthday, the 1st of January. So yeah. I think I'll bake and then and then yeah man, I can't wait. Seems interesting. Pof most abantu bebethetha ngayo berecommendile. So yeah, taking precaution for the hurtful things we keep hidden. I share my story because shame loses its power when we find safe spaces to share our truth. I think I like this. So yeah guys,
if I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.
in the meantime, and I want to share something with you. Go and the muffins. Let's hope I will not burn them because okay, made this cranberry with little. Where's catches and roaches and more? I wish there was someone even Maz around Joburg as on Galila. As a Joburg binjan. Guys, I've been scammed. And doing Kala Jehovah. Sengaile ukuthi why ndienda muncu why yabo impilo yaseJoburg abafuna abantu aba faint hearted and manje faint hearted. So bendikhona bendithenga kulomfana. Okay, like everything happened so quick, man. But okay, I want it. No. Okay, I do deliver, but I have to pay a deposit first. Once and his details. The deposit half. Okay. Yeah. The man is from okay. Once and I send him. I think he access card. My police. Access card, yes. Lando student card with your picture and your details. Once and then I on okay, I'm going to I saw in this game with the police and no. No. Okay. And then once and ID once and picture holding his ID. Okay, it's fine. I sent the deposit. That's the immediate payment because Galuk. I trust this guy. Little did I know. Okay. What was Balapa once in a video in God. It is Balapa in 35 minutes. Okay. It will be 35 minutes. It will be hour. And don't know. Let me know inbox. WhatsApp. Hi, how far are you now? Utikira one meaning over data. And then okay. Team phone ring. Okay. Okay. The pin and the open phone was being cousin the phone say go voicemail. And then I asked the show me, can you please call this number? iPhone ringa kuye. Kodwa kum it voicemail. Meaning go reject calls and in one up yeah. Ecaca intombazana esuka kwi small town eMount Free yaze kwi big city yacaca kanjalo nje kumele yami kanjalo nje Nkosi yami. And then later after 10 minutes masensithi nje profile no profile ntasekhaya unblockile umfana wakho na Nkosi yami ungiblockile nje imali yami kanjalo nje. I'm telling you, Billy was a Joburg. I was so hurt. I was so disappointed. Yeah, the smell. I was so hurt. I was so disappointed. But I felt like I know ndingu wasemakhaya. Ndingunolali. But kaloku ayiboma ngazimbayeze kanje nami eJoburg. Show me. Xa sendisendela omnye umuntu wanjongezela into bana girl seJoburg apha. Joburg apha wanibonisa as pictures as fun. The policeman nomfana ophethe ID abantu abayithiwa bohlukileyo ukubona nibona ngoko I felt so dumb. I felt so ndisivenyana bana like ndidum ke ngoku buthe ndingabona ezi pictures. I was so excited to the point that angibonana ne pictures into bana no so nguyelo. But yeah, hey I think boy indlela bendiwili khamanga hey guys ngeke catch up. Okay, I'll watch that. I won't be that bad. Does it be dumb man ba? No, ndidom ndakhala ndathana zibana God if umzise eJoburg umzisela yonke le impilo mna andikho ready kanti bokwindlela yabo ukuthi welcome to Joburg. Don't trust anyone in Joburg. Don't. Isizolo I feel like ndinayo ukuthanda ukuthemba abantu ngabaziyo because izolo by the time I registered there was this guy who was kum wathi bana wona approach safika wathi bana wathi ba khona umuntu enginceda with registration ku internet cafe lapha kufuphi ekonini. singaya khona sinsila ndiyabo ndiyacingela so singaya khona engqondweni yam yakho into yobana okay like masiye because inako analo ixesha analo inako analo and okay xa ndizoya khona igele phambi kwam yanditsala yathi bana no uzorejista soyi-2 masenziwa like ithi into yobana this guy abamthembi because ugqibele shone ngaphaya nabantu kuleyo internet cafe engayazi ugqibele shone ngaphaya nabantu gqibe ngabonakali into. That's it. I thank God for this girl because nangendile knowing myself ngendile I don't know why ndithemba abantu eJoburg mhlawumbi ndicima kusemakhaya apha ne guys abazali benu they should warn you about Joburg before coming to Joburg. So yeah, that's my little story.
My love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say what I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. Don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the